So this question is a diagram question. I call it a diagram question because all of our answer choices are graphs, right? So more specifically, it is a graph question. So the question here says the function h is defined by h of x equals negative 1/4 x minus 2. Which is the graph of y equals h of x? So this is a very simple question. It's simply asking us to understand the format or the structure of the slope-intercept form of an equation, which is what we have here in function form, right? Instead of y, it's just h of x. But what we can see is that for us, in place of the m value here, we have a negative 1/4, so that's our slope. And in place of our b value, we have a negative 2, so that's our y-intercept. So which of these graph answer choices has a negative 2y intercept and a negative 1/4 slope? That's all this is asking us to do. So choice A has a positive 2y intercept, so that's gone. Choice B also has a positive 2y intercept, so that's also gone. Choice C is at negative 2 for the y-intercept, but how about the slope? So for the slope, for instance, for me to get from the y-intercept to this point here, I'd have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. So that would be a negative 4 over 1, because again, slope is rise over run, right? So we rose negative, we went down, is basically what that means. So that's not negative 1/4. We know we want our slope to be negative 1/4. For choice C, the slope would be negative 4. So choice C is out. So choice D has to be the right answer, but let's just confirm. So here is our y-intercept at negative 2. And for our slope, again, I'll go from the y-intercept to the next point that I see that goes directly somewhere where I can measure it to. And it looks like to get from our y-intercept to that point, I go down 1 and to the right 4 spaces. So down 1 is negative 1. To the right 4 spaces becomes a 4 in the denominator. And that matches with what I expected. So choice D must be the correct answer.